Listen, YouTube, I'm gonna tell you, this is not your average toy. Listen, 80s babies, 90s babies, we did not have toys like this growing up, man. Shout out to Bwine, man. I'm gonna show y'all just how real this toy replica is of the AR-15 M4, man. It comes with the stock. It slides on extremely easy, man. Look how real that is. Look at the hand guard, man. It even have a Picatinny rail on the top so that you can attach this carrier on top of it, man. Oh man, you gotta love it, man. The M4 replica is spot on, man. I want to say they did a nice job, and it also has, the bright colors to signify that this is a toy. This is a toy, but this is not your average toy, man. This is the Gel Blaster by Bwine, man. They did not play, and they have the safety selector on there. And look at the magazine, y'all. Let me show y'all. Look at this magazine, y'all. It slides in and it actually locks inside. Y'all think I'm playing? It actually locks inside, man. I really enjoy the attention to details that they did with this. It has a safety selector, safe to semi, and I'm pretty sure it goes to auto too. And it also has the magazine release lever on the side. I'm telling you, man, it's not coming out unless you hit that release just like the real thing, man. Listen, I must say, man, I'm jealous. As a 90s baby, we did not have this, man. We did not have this growing up, and I promise you, if we had this, we'll be going outside a lot more. And look, it comes with the target. So as you know, this is a gel blaster. It comes with the safety goggles. And also it comes with, the batteries in order for it to operate. Like I said, this thing goes into full auto, man. I can't wait to bring it out and show y'all exactly how it runs. But you have that target. It has the bottle. And it also comes with the gel blasters. Now, I can't remember how many comes in, but it's a lot of them. You put them inside this bottle, add water, let it do its thing, and then you load it up into the magazine bag. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have a fun time shooting my kids with this, man. But also too, I can use this to actually train them on how to perform with real firearms because it's so spot on. Look at this, man. Shout out to Bwine, man. They sent this out to the channel. I approve, man. Just can't wait to go outside and actually put it to the test. But we out, y'all, man. Just wanted to bring to y'all something that was different from what I normally bring on the platform, man. Show y'all this dope toy, man. If you like anything you saw, please do not forget to hit that subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know if this is something that you'll get for your kiddos, man. I love this. I can't wait to take it out, and we out.